Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to transfer money from Cash App to Chime app. So first of all, you have to open your Cash App mobile application here, and once you open it, you have to just go and click on your account section, and here if you scroll down you will find this option of link accounts. Now you have to go and click on linked accounts here. Now you will get this option of link banks. Now here you have to click on link debit card, and once you click on here, add a bank using your debit card, right? So here you have to do nothing. You have to just go and click on no cards, and here you will get this option of link your bank account. Now you have to click on continue. Now here it will ask you to select your institution. You have to search for Chime, and then you have to select Chime app. Now here it will ask you to enter your Chime credentials. When you do it, once you enter it correctly, it will automatically add your Cash App to Chime app. And then you can able to transfer your money. I hope you found this video very useful. Subscribe.